Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. I have a vintage Evans pineapple table lighter. Very strong mechanism. I don't usually like to mess around with table lighters too much, simply because they're heavier, bulkier, and they cost more to ship. And everything that I do with my listings is, built around free shipping and, the percentage is going to charity. So every little bit counts. Every little bit matters. So, but this, I do enjoy getting to work with them occasionally when I get them in lots. I very, very seldom buy a table lighter by itself, but if one comes in a lot, then here we go. So, as I said, it's a very strong mechanism. This one was seized up when I got it, so had to take it apart. It was a little bit different. Your clutch mechanism is on the opposite side on this one. The markings, it just says made in USA and then the patent number. I didn't see there's not a name. There's not any markings that I can see. But telltale sign here. That we have an Evans lighter, which is going to be hard for you to see right now because I overfilled it with fluid. But anyway, if you could see that down in there, there's sawdust, I believe is what it is that they put in those. And with the wick being as good as it was, I didn't see any need to pull that out of there just yet. Maybe ever. So, like I said, it doesn't say Evans there, but it does on the actual pineapple. If I can get this maneuvered right to where the camera can see that. Looks like a crown and Evans. Crown logo and Evans. So, and this entire mechanism, you can see the nut there. Each one of it's a metal bolt basically. This is the head, and each one of these different layers are separate pieces. I assume this is just brass and then paint of some kind on the actual pineapple. Pretty cool. A little bit fancier than what I'm used to. And I don't know. I don't even know if there's a place for this where I would set this in my house, but it kind of reminds me of like those Russian eggs. There's definitely a market for this for somebody. Yeah, so as I said, painted. And then it's just, I think that's some kind of glass that is painted from the inside. I believe. Very sturdy design and well constructed. It won't sit on its own without the lighter in it. With the hinge open, I mean to say. It's not heavy enough. So, I don't know, I've always wondered. I don't know if it's meant for you to bring it up and light it like that, or if it was more meant for you to pull it out, and I guess probably the whole thing. I really like the mechanism. Like I said, very sturdy, very well built and well designed. Gets good friction there. I like it. So, as I said, I don't do a lot of table lighters. I do have a Ronson touch tip in there I just bought that I'm going to be doing a video on soon. That ought to be fun. And some cigarette case lighters also. So I'll have some more stuff that's a little bit different. But as you can see in the background here, well, here's another table lighter. I'm not even sure what this one is supposed to be. Somebody knows. Some kind of pail maybe. But you can see the Ronson Imperial Whirlwind and Ronson Adonis as well. That they'll have their own videos soon. But again, the Evans Pineapple Table Lighter. I don't see any obvious chips in the pane or anything like that. Looks like it's been well taken care of, other than the fact that someone left the flint in there and I had to drill it out. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the channel. Like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends. Hit the share button. Send that link wherever it is, however it is you communicate with people in text message, email, social media. Also comment below, especially if you have questions. You see a specific lighter and there's something specific that I didn't cover in the video, then ask below. Hopefully while I still got it, maybe we can dig into it and see what the answer is. Also, Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com across all the social media platforms, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and of course eBay. So until next time, stay tuned.